Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Okay, so in today's video we have a special collaboration and it's the 4th of July tier tray collab, and that's being hosted by At Penny's Place and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So now, as you can see here, I'm going to start decorating on my coffee table to display the tier tray. I'm going to be linking below in the description box the host and the channel links. I'm also going to be listing the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that we can see how everybody else decorated their tier tray for the 4th of July. Now remember to click that like button, because when you do, you help YouTube to notice us just a little bit more, and that helps us to grow. So now this is the cutest tier tray, and I do believe that I thrifted it. It is adorable. So we're going to go ahead and decorate this tier tray for the 4th of July. And so I can't help myself, but these floral arrangements on the table are absolutely gorgeous, and they were made with Dollar Tree items. So this tier tray is going to fit in perfectly. So now remember that all the items that I'm using to decorate this tier tray did come from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and leave you to listen to some music as I go ahead and decorate this tray. I'll see you at the end. So, like, one of the reasons why I absolutely love decorating tier trays and even vignettes, one is that it's portable and you can move it around. And two, you can actually isolate all of the decorations, well, most of them, in one area. And so it's easy to take apart and easy to put together. So now if you know me, I'm going to start taking things apart, moving things around, and this process is going to go on for a while until I'm happy with the outcome. Now this is my favorite part. I love lighting the candles, making it nice and cozy and warm, and then we're almost ready to head on over to the reveal. Such beautiful colors, and yes, it looks like we're ready to head on over to the reveal, guys. I do want to take a moment and thank Penny from At Penny's Place for joining me in this collaboration. I do want to take a moment and wish everyone a happy 4th of July, and make sure and stay safe. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.